Let's do it. All right, we're going to start with a hustle. We're going to walk forward 3 steps and a touch. We're going to walk back for 3 steps and a coaster. We're going to bring right foot as a rocking chair, rocks forward and back, to a change to a V step. So we're going to open right, open left, close right, close left. Now we're going to do a heel grind. Right foot to the front. We're going to grind it or turn into your left shoulder. And then we're going to do a heel and a heel. Bring back the right for another grind. Quarter turn again for right heel, left heel. We bring it back. We're going to do a hook. Out, cross, shuffle in an angle. And then out, cross, shuffle in an angle. We're going to come back to section 1, which is a hustle, walking forward, touch. We step walking back with a coaster, rocking chair forward and back, and a V step, open, open, close, and close. And then here comes the tag. We're going to tap your heel twice, just like Dorothy. Tap, tap. So as promised, now we're going to finish with a count. So here we go. We start with your right foot in 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And your tag for 2.